Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Is DeepSeek really means end of ChatGPT? ChatGPT is generative AI tool developed by OpenAI and is used for general assistant and text generation. DeepSeek is Chinese startup AI company that was established in 2023 and has the same approach as ChatGPT. In January 2025, DeepSeek announced their new model R1 that grabbed very high attention everywhere in the world, and it was new stage in AI market. After this announcement, the US stocks went sell off, and the question was why this is happened. The DeepSeek model was also generative AI model, but main difference between DeepSeek and ChatGPT is that DeepSeek model was much cheaper and it took less money to build this model. After that, there were questions to many US generative AI companies: do we really need to invest so much money to them? And the stocks went sell off and prices dropped. After that, there was question: is the DeepSeek really end of OpenAI and ChatGPT? Do we really need that big models and very front-end and expensive chips to build generative AI applications? And the problem was that for many years US market, US companies, AI companies were getting lots of investments and money, and they didn't really think about how to optimize internally AI algorithms. As a result, they buy more and more hardware, more powerful hardware, and to run the bigger and bigger models. In the contrast, a Chinese company didn't have access to that big chips, powerful chips, and they didn't have funding as well, big fundings. They start optimized internal algorithm. As a result, they build the model that doesn't require that much power and is cheaper per request. I think that the history shows many different examples how these competitions work previously. For example, in previously 60 years ago, there was competition between Soviet Union and US in space exploration program. And after Soviet Union sent their first satellites in space, it was shock for whole US and the world. They finally realized that how Soviet progressed and advanced in space exploration. But after that, US announced that they will start to work on moon landing program, and a bit more than after 10 years they accomplished very significant achievement. They landed human on the moon, and this is example how competition works. They first got shocked and then start working to optimize and improve, and after that they get very good results. But there are also bad examples. For example, in Finland there was very big mobile company Nokia, and Nokia was #1 in the mobile industry for many years. But after Apple announced their flagship device iPhone, it was not only shock for whole mobile industry, but also for Nokia. Nokia didn't have such good phone and didn't have anything to introduce similar to market, and they didn't recover from this event. They wasn't able to build the same kind of phone. As a result, whole Nokia mobile business was damaged, and the Nokia mobile business is not number one, and mostly nothing at all at the moment. OpenAI has very good potential. Now when there is a competitor from China, they can start optimize and use more powerful and more better algorithm for creating generative AI model that doesn't require too much expenses, doesn't require investments, and doesn't require very powerful chips. Question is, do they really recover from this? Can they build something similar to DeepSeek or even better? We can see in coming years if this will happen. Anyway, competition is always good for everyone. Currently, if you subscribe to ChatGPT paid license, it doesn't cost you much, but if you want to build some application on top of the generative AI for developers and for software companies, generative AI is still very expensive, and having this competition and cheaper model will improve the situation and will allow to have cheaper alternatives, and as for us, for consumers, we will have more application, generative AI application, and they will be cheaper. Let's see how the situation will develop. I think anyway we are living in an exciting time, and we'll see what future will bring. Thank you very much. Bye bye.